Hello, learners. Welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today, we are going to look at the common silent letters spellings and corresponding sounds. What you have to do is listen carefully to the sound and take care of the spelling while you write the word. Without wasting more time, let us jump into the topic.
TCH says ch. The T is silent. K-ach, catch. DGE says j. The E is silent. B-a-j, badge. WR says r. The W is silent. Oat, wrote. KN says n. The K is silent. Ought, not. GN says n. The G is silent. At, nat. Design, design. MB says m. The B is silent. Climb, climb. PS says s. The P is silent. Psychic. LK says k. The L is silent. Chalk. LM says m. The L is silent. Calm. RH says r. The H is silent. Rhino. DJ says ch. The D is silent. Adjust. BT says t. The B is silent. Det. GH says g. The H is silent. Ghost, ghost. MN says m. The N is silent. Him. WH says h. The W is silent. Who?
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description for more videos regarding reading, practice, phrases, grammar, and more. And please don't forget to subscribe, and especially for those who are just watching my videos. Love and peace to all.